India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
I am proud of it.
And I am
proud of it.
proud of it.
Rich and varied heritage.
Rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
try
to be
worthy of it.
I shall give respect
To
my parents,
my parents,
teachers, and all my elders. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone. Life my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by students of Grade IX Topaz. International news is brought to you by Sri Shloka from Grade IX Topaz. Bangladesh rejects Ministry of External Affairs comments over democracy in front of its High Commission in New Delhi. Trump set to expand immigration crackdown in 2026 despite brewing backlash. France will build new aircraft carrier, said Macron to troops. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. This is Srijanya from Grade IX Topaz, brought you today's national news. People need freedom from Mahajangal Raj in West Bengal, says PM Modi. Trump signs law Indian nuclear liability aligned with global norms. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's state news is brought to you by Viharini of Grade IX Topaz. You told to opt for courses offered in advanced technology centers. Labour and Employment Minister G. Vivek Venkat Swamy said that learning more than one skill enhances the chances of employment and opportunities for youth. And the government is committed to provide skill development ambience through various measures. Thank you and have a great day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's sports news is brought to you by Pavitra from Grade IX Topaz. Sports news. Shubman Gill omissions from T20 squad. Bit short of runs at moment. He is a great player, says Agakar. Thank you and have a nice day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Kirtana from Grade IX Topaz. Weather forecast. Maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 19 degrees Celsius. Precipitation 25%. Humidity 29 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Shaili of Grade IX Topaz. Today's thought. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations or formulas. It's about understanding. I repeat it again. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations or formulas. It's about understanding. Meaning, math teaches us how to think logically and solve problems, not just how to calculate. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I'm Sari of Grade IX Topaz. Today I'm going to tell a word of the day. Word, derivative. It means the rate at which a function is changing at a given point. I repeat it again. Derivative. It means at which a function is changing at a given point. Friends, please spell after me. Derivative. D-E-R-I-V-A-T-I-V-E. Derivative. Thank you.
Pleasant morning everyone. Today's speciality of the day is brought to you by Lakshmi Prasanna of Grade IX Topaz. Today 22nd December, it is observed as the National Mathematics Day in India in honor of a great mathematician, Indian great mathematician Sir Srinivas Ramanujan, whose brilliant ideas and dedication inspired the world even today. And today is also known as the winter solstice, which means the shortest day and the longest night of the year in the northern hemisphere. This is all about the speciality of the day. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Happy morning everyone. Myself Sastra. I'm from Grade IX Topaz. Today's speech on mathematics. In India, the National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December to commemorate the birth anniversary of the great Indian mathematical genius Sir Srinivas Ramanujan. Mathematics is not just about numbers and formulas, but it's a way of thinking. It helps us solve problems, make decisions, and understand the world around us. From calculating time and money to building bridges and using technology, mathematics plays an important role in our daily lives. It also teaches us logical thinking, patience, and accuracy. Even when problems seem difficult, mathematics encourages us to solve, try again, and not give up. Many modern inventions such as computers, mobile phones, space research are possible because of mathematics. Mathematics is a powerful and useful subject that shapes our future. By learning and practicing it regularly, we can improve our thinking skills and succeed in many areas of life. In the end, mathematics may not teach us how to add happiness and how to minus sadness, but it does teach one important thing: every problem has a solution. Thank you. Have a mathematical day ahead.
Happy morning everyone. This is Pavitra from Grade 9 Topaz. Now I am here to ask GK question. Question for Grade 7. Who invented the symbol of infinity? I will repeat it again. Who invented the symbol of infinity? No, you did not pick right answer. The answer is John Wallis. Question for Grade 8. Who discovered the Pythagoras theorem? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Pythagoras of Samos. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Who invented the concept of zero? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Aryabhatta. Let us appreciate them. Open questions to all. Which country invented the abacus?
China.
Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is China. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. Can two odd numbers add to an odd number?
No.
Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is no. They always make an even number. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Viharika of Grade 9 Topaz and today I am honored to speak about the great Maharana Kumbha. He is the 48th ruler of Maharashtra kingdom. He is not just a king. He is a titan who never lost a single battle in his lifetime. He ascended the throne at very young age during the time of his great instability, but yet he transformed Maharashtra into the most powerful kingdom of 15th century. He defeated sultans of Malwa and Gujarat successfully and became more powerful. To commemorate his victory, he built the Vijaya Stamba, which is known as the Tower of Victory that stands tall even today. His great masterpiece was Kumbhagal Fort, which is the longest continuous wall in the world, second longest continuous wall in the world after the Great Wall of China. Unlike other warriors, Maharana Kumbha is a man of deep thinking and a great veena player and a brilliant author who wrote many musical treatises. Maharana Kumbha's life teaches us that true greatness comes from the balance of strength and wisdom and not from powerfulness. Thank you, and let us be inspired with Maharana Kumbha's history. Thank you.